Have you seen the moon that look like inverted at certain times? This is because the polar coordinate map projection of our local sun and moon always have their circular trajectories, especially inside our atmosphere, and have to be separated for the full moon just to be fully illuminated. And you can determine this on wherever the sun is positioned, like wherever the sun is at, either that's north or south of the equator. It only means that our local moon can only be illuminated on the opposing end. And the only two ends our moon can be on is always the north or the south. The demarcation line, which is our equator, always divides between north and south. And the equinox equator line is a very important factor, especially watching the moon analemma, because everything will be mirrored reversed. And whenever we are crossing that line, or even the sun crosses the equator line, it's going to determine if the moon is going to be full or crescent. If the sun is on the south of the equator, full moon usually happens on the north, and our crescent moon happen on the south, and vice versa with the moon. So to understand this easier, you must perceive it as a reflective, or what we call a mirrored effect. Our sun projected in the northern hemisphere, and its corresponding image on the southern hemisphere, both occurring diametrically and simultaneously. And that is how we get the two opposing simultaneous analemma, or what we all call the figure 8. The mirroring effect is what we know as the mechanism through which a projection is reflected, especially back to its observer, just to allow every individual to perceive their own unique manifestation of the sun in our sky and along its personal arc of horizon. Assalamu alaikum.